Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to activate eSIM on iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to activate your eSIM on your iPhone but you're facing this pop-up and you're unable to activate eSIM, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically if you want to fix an eSIM that won't activate on your iPhone, you have to simply quickly refresh your connection by toggling airplane mode. So guys, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for 30 seconds and after this turn it off. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly, or you have to simply reset your internet connection or use any other internet connection to fix this issue. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there, then you have to simply update your carrier settings and update your software to the latest version as well. So guys, for that, go to general settings and go to about and check if there are any carrier updates available for you, then simply update them. And after this, go back and go to the software update and update your device to the latest version as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your eSIM provider, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the service provider, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.